guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here on this channel, we do healthy drinks, healthy smoothies, a bit of cooking sometime, but for the last few months I've been doing juicing because I find it a bit easier sometimes to do, especially when I come in from work. So guys, let's just get into this video. For those who are here with me, thank you so much for being on this journey with me, and for the new ones that have come on board, welcome. So guys, I am going to put, you know, all the time I make my juice, so I use this attachment. However, both of them look the same, but one have a plug. So this one I'm going to use today to do my smoothie. So I'm going to put this in just like that. Put it into the juicer just like this. Let me see if I can. All right, then I'm gonna put the middle bit in, then I'm gonna put top, and we are ready to do our smoothie. So today I'm not using this. So what the other one does is lock this part off, so nothing come through here, and the smoothie will come through this part. So let's get into the making of the smoothie. So I'm gonna just use maybe the bigger one today, and I'm going to use some frozen mango ginger blitz. This is what I'm going to use today to make my smoothie, with some almond milk. And guys, the fruits are sweeter. I don't need any honey in it. So as you can see, we have the ginger, the mango, the pineapple, and ripe banana. So guys, now we are gonna open our frozen fruit bag. Let's see how it goes. What is it, guys? So let's pour out everything. This is what I am going to use, guys, to do the smoothie. So I'm going to start to put it in the juicer. I think I have some more frozen banana, so I'm going to get some more banana. And guys, you can see the ginger is in it. If you look closely, you will see the ginger. So let's just break this apart. And when you're using this juicer, it's for the smoothie, you have to have them a little bit, just this texture. Okay. So let's get rolling, guys. So guys, we're gonna open the flip gate, and we're gonna start by putting in the frozen mangoes. So guys, we are going to open our oats milk, and we're going to pour just a small bit in the top. So guys, I'm adding some more of the mango ginger bliss. So this smoothie is going to be mango ginger bliss smoothie. So everything is coming together, guys. I'm gonna add just a small amount of milk, oat milk, guys, and keep going. So it crushes it and everything is in the mixing bowl. As you can see, it comes out through the smoothie strainer and then get incorporated by the milk, the oat milk. Take a look at how everything is being mixed properly, crushed and mixed, guys. This is gonna turn out so nice. So guys, I'm gonna pour a little bit more milk and we're gonna add some more frozen fruit. And we're gonna turn on. So guys, most people use just mango and ginger, but I have mango, ginger, pineapple and frozen ripe banana. So everything is frozen, so I add 3 more to mine because I realized that other people did this smoothie but they only use mango and ginger, so I put other fruits with mine for it to have a different taste. So guys, the mango extract help to reduce liver fat accumulation, and this smoothie also help to lower the cholesterol. So guys, I'm gonna let out my juice and I'm gonna turn on the juicer and let it pump out the smoothie. Look at that, guys. Look how lovely and yummy that looks. And no honey and no sugar is added to this. It's just all natural. I'm just gonna add a little bit more almond milk or oats. Is it almond? Oats milk I use. Just oats milk. And I'm gonna put some more of the fruits, the frozen fruits, and keep going, guys. So guys, we are going to go again. We're going to do a second batch. So we're going to close this. We're going to cut the next pack. And we're going to pour it out. So guys, there you have the pieces of ginger. Look, you can see the banana, ginger, mango. So let's go again, guys. I'm gonna put this in the juicer and we're gonna turn on the juicer and keep going. And guys, guess what? This juicer, it don't have any metal blade spinning. It keep the flavor, and your smoothie is not oxidized in there. It presses and it squeezes out everything. So there you go, guys. We're making our second batch of smoothie. So guys, the mango, the pineapple and the ginger is very good, and it has potassium in the mango, and it helps to lower the blood pressure and give you a healthy heart. So guys, I'm gonna add some more oat milk into my Kuvings Revo830. And guys, it's not the first time I'm trying this smoothie. It is so refreshing and nice. So every time I go to Aldi, I always add this to my groceries. So guys, the mixing bowl is almost full, and we are getting close to the serving of the second batch of smoothie. Wow, this is looking so nice. So guys, I have added the pineapple. Why I purchased this is because the pineapple with the mango and the ginger is more effective for the inflammation in your body, so it will help to keep it at bay. So of all ingredients, the pineapple, the mango, the ginger, the ripe banana is a plus. So this smoothie is very powerful, guys. So guys, we are going to let out our second batch of smoothie, and of course I'm going to turn on the juicer to pump out most of the smoothie. So let's pull here first, and secondly I'm going to turn the juicer on and let it pump out all the smoothie that's in there. So look at that, guys. Look how yummy that looks. This is very healthy, very good for your body. It helps with the gut. It has so much to offer, so why would you try it? So I have a small amount leave, so I'm gonna put this through the juicer and keep going. Oh, nice and smooth this is. See, this is it, guys. This is how it presses everything out. Yummy. So this is the last bit. So this is so nice to try. I purchased these frozen packages from Aldi, and it's different because you have the mango, the ginger, pineapple, and much more, guys. There's a lot in there you can choose from, but I just choose to get this one because it have the pineapple, and the pineapple is good for inflammation. And guys, look at the color. Don't you think we can get a lot of benefit from this smoothie for our eyes? It is bright yellow, and all the ingredients are super good. So guys, big up and bless up yourself. Hope you all will try this smoothie and let me know. So guys, I'm gonna serve my smoothie. This is it, guys. That's the smoothie, guys. Wow. Ooh. I should give you all a close-up look of that. Let me go a little closer with how it looks when I'm pouring it out. I'll top it up a little. Look, you see how thick it is? Wow. I'll top the other one up too. You see that? Wow. And we're gonna top it off with 2 mints at the side. pop our straw in, and there you have it, the mango bliss, guys. Mango ginger bliss, that's a new name. So I thought I would just come with the smoothie today, so you all can go and try it. It's nice to come with something new. I try my best to come every week with something new, and here is for those who are joining in. That's it. So I'll just put a little bit of the frozen mango, one of these around. Let's get some bright colors. Pineapple, mango. Let's zoom it out a little bit so you can see. So that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with your friend. Bye.